morning. How you do? Today, we are read from Luke 22, from verse 54 to 62. Peter said him no know Jesus. Them grab Jesus and take him away, go in the leader for the priest them house. Peter follow them, but not too close. Then them build one fire in the middle of the courtyard and sit down together. Peter sit down with them. One servant girl see Peter and sit down in the firelight. She look upon him good and say, "The man here, I one of them monks him too." But Peter say a lie she a tell. "Oh man, me no know him," Peter say. Little later, somebody else see Peter and say, "You're one of them." Peter say, "Look here man, me no one of them." But 1 hour after that, another one talk out strong and say, "Me sure say the man here, I one of him special follower them, cause he come from Galilee too." Peter say, "Man, me no know what you chat about." Same time, Peter chat, the rooster crow. The Lord turned and looked straight from Peter and remember what the Lord did say to him. "Before the rooster crow, you are going to say, you don't know me 3 times. Peter go out the door and bawl and bawl and bawl so till. A God word this. Thank God.